I just issued a subpoena. Diretso na tayo. I just issued a subpoena and I'll be handing out a copy of this press release. On Monday at 10 a.m., I would want in my presence Coach Tab Baldwin of Ateneo. The Department of Labor under Article 40 is empowered to scrutinize the employment status of a foreign national, as I said, under Article 40. And this is my statement, which I will read. No foreign national working in this country is above the law regardless of their status, reputation, or the institution they represent. Coach Baldwin is employed in the Philippines. He is subject to Philippine labor laws. DOLE is simply, or will simply do its job, verifying that he holds a valid and current alien employment permit as required under Article 40 of the Labor Code. If he is compliant, there is nothing to fear. If he is not, then the department will act accordingly. This is not about persecution. This is about the rule of law. The other day, I issued an administrative order concerning the issuances of alien employment permits. And this would fall squarely under that said AO which I issued. The legal basis, as I've said, is Article 40 of the Labor Code, which is Presidential Decree 442 as amended, DOLE Department Order number 248, Series of 2025, and DOLE Administrative Order number 199, Series of 2026, which I issued the other day, and Article 128 of the Labor Code of the Philippines. Ano po ba ibig kong sabihin? Kailangan pumunta po sa harap ko si Coach Baldwin sa Lunes, alas 10 ng umaga, personally to show his valid and current alien employment permit issued by this department, authorizing him to serve as head coach of the Ateneo de Manila University men's basketball team. Number 2, proof that the AEP covers the full scope of his coaching and supervisory activities, including off-campus training activities such as the team building exercise in Aurora. Right now, as I speak, the Department of Labor and Employment's Region 3 Provincial Office in Aurora is now inspecting the resort where the accident allegedly occurred. And I will have the report within 45 minutes. Number 4, any documentation showing compliance with DOLE's reporting requirements, including notification of any change in position, workplace, or scope of work as required under Department Order number 248-25. Number 5, a written explanation of the circumstances surrounding the June 8, 2026 team building exercise in Dipakulaw, Aurora, including the nature of the activity, supervision arrangements, and safety protocols observed as part of DOLE's broader investigation in the droning incident. Ulitin ko po. Ang consequences nito, kung sakaling hindi dumating si Coach Baldwin sa ating kagawaran sa Lunes, or to be found working without a valid AEP or with an AEP that does not cover the full scope of his activities, the following will be the consequences: cancellation or suspension of his alien employment permit. Number 2, referral to the Bureau of Immigration for appropriate immigration action, including possible deportation proceedings. Number 3, assessment of administrative penalties against the Ateneo de Manila University as the employing institution for failure to ensure its foreign employees hold valid work permits. Number 4, filing appropriate charges under the Labor Code for illegal employment of a foreign national. Panghuli, pinapaabot po natin sa mga magulang ni Rene at sa Nigerian Embassy na humahawak ng kaso ni Divine Dile ang aking pong taus-pusong pakikidalamhati. The families of Rene and Divine deserve answers and they deserve accountability. Every agency of government has a role to play in getting to the truth of what happened in Aurora. DOLE's role is to ensure that every person employed in this country, Filipino or foreign, is working lawfully and within the bounds of our labor laws. We will not waver in that responsibility. Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat.